To make money with AutoDS, follow these steps to streamline your dropshipping business. Choose a niche and products. Select a profitable niche. Use AutoDS's product research tools to find trending products with high demand and low competition. Import products from suppliers like AliExpress, Walmart, and Amazon directly to your store. Set competitive prices. Use AutoDS's automated pricing rules to ensure your prices cover product costs, shipping, and platform fees while offering competitive margins. Enable dynamic pricing to adjust prices based on market changes automatically. Automate order fulfillment. When customers place orders, AutoDS can automatically fulfill them by purchasing from the supplier on your behalf. This saves time and ensures fast delivery. Enable tracking updates to keep customers informed, reducing complaints and refunds. Monitor and optimize listings. Use AutoDS's tools to track product performance and remove low sellers. Automate stock monitoring to avoid overselling when suppliers run out of inventory. Scale your business. As your business grows, integrate multiple stores and suppliers with AutoDS to reach more customers. Automate most operations, freeing you up to focus on marketing and scaling.